Hello, my laser pecker peeps. Some people have little peckers. Some people have big peckers. Little peckers have little wood. Those with bigger peckers have bigger wood. Working with bigger wood increases your chance of bigger fires. This is why LaserPecker offers an automated fire extinguisher. We are going to install this on the LX2 so we don't burn our houses down. Let's get this over with. We will be working inside your pecker. Open the lid and open the door. Firmly grab your pecker head, move it aside and forward. This will give us access to the holes in the rear. Open your pecker package. Remove the manual. You will find this, 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 and this. This is a spare. Place this safely aside. We will be working with this. Go ahead and remove this cable tie. Mine was simply a rubber band. Remove this plug. All of the screws are the same size. Utilizing the two threaded holes here in the rear, attach this plate. Orientate it as seen here. These are press fit threads into plastic. Avoid over tightening. Also, over tightening the first screw will make positioning the second screw more difficult. Install the first screw lightly, install the second screw, then snug them both. You can see there are 3 posts on this fitting. We will use 3 screws to install this extinguisher in this orientation on those 3 posts, facing this way. When doing this, please be mindful not to lean or put weight on this assembly or this assembly. With all 3 screws installed, it will look like this. You now have pecker protection from fire. You may now connect your pecker protector to the machine. This is a very tight fit. I suggest giving it a little relief with one hand while installing it with another. You may now close the front door and the lid. Having reached this point, your fire extinguisher is installed and ready to protect you from burning down your house. Should you experience the unfortunate need for your extinguisher to deploy, LaserPecker has provided a second. Should you use both, laser engraving might not be for you. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown. Hello, my pecker peeps. I'm here with the LaserPecker LX2. Some people have